Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for all you DIY fans and custom apparel enthusiasts out there. Imagine being able to create your own custom designs on t-shirts, hats, bags, and more with ease and precision. That's exactly what the A3 DTF printer offers, and we're excited to dive into its features and capabilities. First off, let's talk about how easy this printer is to use. The L1390 DTF printer is designed to be a cost-effective solution for printing custom designs on a transfer film, which can then be heat-pressed onto various garments. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this printer produces vivid, long-lasting results that are sure to impress. And don't worry if you're new to DTF printing. The manual is thorough, and customer support is available via email or live chat to help you get started. This means you can focus on creating amazing designs without getting bogged down in complicated technical details. Another feature that really stands out is the white ink circulation and automatic cleaning system. This integrated system maintains consistent ink flow, reduces clogging, and extends the life of the printhead. And with one-touch automatic cleaning, you can keep your printer in top condition with minimal effort. Simply press and hold the middle button for 5 seconds, and the printer takes care of the rest. This not only saves you time, but also helps lower operating costs and avoids the need for frequent printhead replacement. Imagine being able to print design after design without worrying about the hassle and expense of maintaining your printer. Now, let's talk about the smart printhead protection system. This innovative feature includes a smart flash spray system that activates every 10 prints to prevent clogging and color mixing. This can extend the life of the printhead by up to 6 months, maintains high-quality printing, and reduces the frequency of replacement due to color cross-contamination. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your printhead is protected and your designs will turn out vibrant and accurate every time. And with the added benefit of reduced maintenance, you can focus on creating and printing rather than worrying about the technical details. In addition to these features, the A3 DTF printer also comes with a complete package that includes everything you need to get started. The bundle includes the L1390 A3 DTF printer, an A3 curing oven, CMYKW inks, A3 transfer film, and DTF powder. This means you can start creating your own custom designs right away without having to worry about sourcing additional materials. And with compatibility with a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, leather, and denim, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking to create custom t-shirts, hats, bags, or shoes, this printer has got you covered. In conclusion, the A3 DTF printer is an amazing piece of technology that offers a world of creative possibilities. With its ease of use, white ink circulation and automatic cleaning system, smart printhead protection, and complete package, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to create custom designs on a variety of fabrics. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible printer and start creating your own custom designs today. Trust me, you won't regret it. The possibilities are endless, and the results are truly stunning. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and take your DIY projects to the next level with the A3 DTF.